Okay, so you remember like basically at the Samsung event like about almost 4 months ago now, we basically had a moment at the end of the event where they did this. Now, it's been 4 months and finally I think we're about to see what exactly that was. I remember I couldn't even get close to that phone when it was on display there, so hopefully today we get some nice shots and I can share my thoughts and feelings with you guys. Let's go. You sure you don't want anything?
Hi, can I get a small steep tea regular, please? Okay, you too.
These girls know my order by heart. I'm like a regular here.
Oh, and by the way, future Tausif here. Make sure you guys watch the video till the end because I learned of something which might impact your decision about this phone quite a bit. I'm excited to see how you guys receive it. Lock the car. All our camera gear ready. Hello. Good. Sorry I'm late.
Traffic is nuts.
Yeah, it was pretty bad. And then we had to like find parking. Oh shoot, we didn't even pay. Oh shit.
Once we finally got to the event, we got a quick debrief by the Samsung rep, and then it was time to hit the ground running.
You all know why you're here. It's to look at the brand new S25 Edge. In terms of what I want to highlight, there are a couple of things.
Yo, like first impression actually holding this phone. My goodness. Guys, this thing is like super thin. Like this is probably the thinnest phone I've actually ever held. In your hand, this thing feels really nice. It's super light.
Now, one thing I wanted to check was how light and thin this is compared to the S25 Ultra, and I gotta tell you, it's a significant difference. And just to give you an idea, here's the S25 Ultra and here's the S25 Edge side by side. And I think you really have to hold the phone and like kind of use it to understand because the video just doesn't do it justice.
One good thing is I was actually kind of worried what they did with the camera. Luckily, we have a 200 megapixel, the regular wide camera that we have from the S25 Ultra, and we have a 12 megapixel ultra wide. Now, between the ultra wide and the telephoto, I'm glad they went with the ultra wide because you can always kind of like punch into photos, but you can't really get too wide of a shot with like a telephoto lens. So ultra wide is absolutely the way I would have gone as well.
And this is what Tausif looks like.
Look at that.
Look at that, bro.
Yo, I'm surprised it's getting like my little hairs there too.
That detail in his nose. What a beautifully shaped nose.
You also do have log recording on here, which is impressive. I was very happy to see that.
I don't think so.
No, there's never log on the front facing. Come on, bro. I thought you were a Samsung guy. RJ's a fake Samsung. Snape's the same Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. I think this is a really good phone. Like if you don't need like the S Pen and like all of like the other flashy features that come with the S25 Ultra, like all the other lenses and cameras, and you're okay with the main camera, this thing is like it's pretty good. Pro and my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Throughout my speaker wise, I think it's pretty good.
Now, even though this is significantly thinner than the S25 Ultra, they've managed to fit in the exact same chip, the Snapdragon 8 Elite, and because of that, everything is super snappy, it's very fast, there's no lags at all, you can scroll, open, close apps, and everything feels incredible.
Still get that same high quality, no lag.
Screen quality wise, I've said it before and I'll say it again, Samsung makes the best screens, period.
Best screens, I'm telling you, man. Best screens. The one good thing is they didn't really like cheap out in terms of the chip or the cameras or anything like that, and just made like a budget version or anything. It's definitely up there. It's almost like flagship territory, but it's like a slightly different take. So if you wanted something that's like much thinner and slimmer to kind of carry around, this is the way to go. Like it just feels a little bit surreal because you have this thing in like your hand and like it's such a big screen, but it doesn't feel as like bulky as like the S25 Ultra, right? I don't know how to explain it. Like the S25 Ultra feels like it's a pro device, like a brick almost. It's big, like you can tell it's a big phone, but with this, even with the big screen, I could get used to this. I could get used to this. Bro, this feels so light. Like it's actually, you've been like, it's insane.
Now in terms of colors, there's technically 3 different options. You have titanium black, titanium silver, and an icy blue. However, I believe we're only getting the black and silver here. So those are what we have at the event. Now in terms of my choice, I think I'm leaning towards the black because I love this whole matte finish, and it really looks like the phone that Batman would carry. The silver looks nice. It's kind of a little bit of a warm tone silver, but I think the black really accentuates how thin and skinny this phone actually is, and really further exacerbates it when you actually look at it.
One thing I wanted to check was, like, usually with phones, like, I know in the comments you guys are gonna be like, oh, it's super thin, but like you're gonna throw a case on it and like you're gonna lose the thinness. So we're gonna test that out. Oh, it's a clear case.
Clear with MagSafe.
Ooh, it's built-in MagSafe? Well, I don't think they call it that, but with magnets. Even with the case, this thing is like feels quite a bit thinner than pretty much every phone that we've used. Like, is there any thinner phone? See, the thing is, the clear case is nice. I still think I like this one better. It just feels really nice and leathery. Pretty good. So even with the case, pretty thin. Thinnest phone still. I thought when you throw on a case, like, you kind of lose the thinness, but even with the case, it's pretty thin. So even with the case, you're slightly thinner compared to the S25 Ultra without the case, except the difference is a little less now. Oh, by the way, you guys gotta check out this channel. Super cool.
What do you think?
All right, what are we thinking? Okay, right off the bat, is it wrong that I actually like this better than the S25 Ultra a little bit? It's like so thin. It doesn't feel like you're holding like a big phone. Like it feels really nice to use. And 3,800 milliamps, right? 3,900. Oh, there we go. Okay.
Does it have fast charging?
25 watts. Okay.
The durability.
Oh yes. Drop test. Yeah.
Shoe was attached a little bit here.
Yeah. Bring it for you next time.
I'm just kidding. Take care, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, so first impressions and thoughts, absolutely love the phone. I think it's a great form factor. I think people are underestimating how nice a thin and light phone is, because I feel like we used to do like thin and light phones back in the day. Like the race was to get as thin as possible, but then we started, you know, caring a little less about that stuff, and the phone started to get thicker and thicker. But now, after holding such a light and thin phone, I think it really does make a big difference. I'm really considering switching to this thing for a little bit and seeing how things go. But there's one key issue I have with it, and that is not the cameras. I like the cameras. That could be battery life as well. I have not actually tried it. It's 3,900 milliamps. I don't know if we're gonna have full day battery life or not. I will definitely have to test that, so make sure you guys are subbed. But the thing that I'm concerned about is the price, because I'm hearing rumors inside that the price is somewhere in like the 1,600, 1,700 range Canadian, which is yeah, not the best. So this is like a very specific phone if you wanted something super thin and light. The price is the only concern I have. Let me know in the comment section down below. Would you guys pay this price and pick up this phone, or are you skipping? Are you going with the S25 Ultra, or are you going with something else? Either way, I love the fact that we have options. Option for everybody here. So if you want to go more pro with the S25 Ultra, you can. If you want something thin and light, you have an option. If you want something more budget, you have another option. Or if you want a foldable, you have a foldable option. If you want a flip phone foldable, you have an option. So I gotta give Samsung props here. They definitely have a lot of options for whatever you're looking for. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below which one you're picking up. But I think that's it for this video. Let me know if you have any specific questions and sub to the channel, because I will definitely be covering this. All right, let's go.
I'm actually scared to throw this one because it's so light, because usually if there's weight, easier to throw. Whew.